Okay, so this is the full demo for my project, which is a custom melody player and recorder. So the way it works is we have these notes which go from C4 to C5. We have 3 buttons up there at the top, which are record, replay, and transfer data. We have an LCD screen that tells us some information about the melody. It also tells us some information, some options for the melody, and it also allows us to browse the EEPROM for the melodies that we can have. Now, in order to record a melody, you just need to press this button, start playing something, and play it again to press it again to stop the recording. The light comes on to indicate that there's a melody loaded, and you can replay it by pressing this button. And it will just play on a loop. Okay, now if we want to see the data for this melody on this LCD screen, we just press the data transfer button, and we can see it right there. Now let's go ahead and save it to the EEPROM, and we do that by going to the options menu and pressing the button on the save option. That takes us to the browse menu and tells us how many songs we have. The songs are currently identified by labels in order to save space, so they will just be identified by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Let me demonstrate that by saving another song to the EEPROM. So currently we only have one, and we have one loaded here. So let's go ahead and delete this one and go to the details menu. Okay, so this is the previous song, so let's go ahead and record another one. Okay, we have one loaded, and let's transfer it to here. Right, let's save this one too to the EEPROM, and let's save it. Now we will get the next song right there. So we currently have 2 melodies. First one, level 1, second one, level 2. Let's go ahead now and delete the melody loaded here. Go back here, delete this one from here as well, just by sending the empty melody that we currently have here to this other microcontroller. And there we go. And now let's go ahead and retrieve one of the melodies from the EEPROM. And there we go. That's the notes, that's the time, the number of notes, and as you can see, we also have it loaded now in memory.